We had some great racing today against all the teams, and all in all, it was just a heap of learning. Obviously, the big change today was, you know, the Kiwis are out mixing it up, so it was good to see them out, and everyone got a bit of a read on that. But, you know, very, very tight racing, and I think what we expect. So what's next is we've got some mods to the boat. We'll be doing that, and we'll be straight out in the water next week, testing a few other things, and really just trying to utilise as much of the time we've got now leading up to the Round Robin series.